Hello, dear English learners. Today, I'd like to teach you to the present continuous tense. The plan of our lesson is to work on the formation of grammar skills in a real long time, to form skills of work with the handout effects, to contribute to the improvement of students' listening skills. Present continuous third form, of course, there are affirmative, negative, and the question form in a spoken speech. I will speak, I will listen to you, I will answer all the questions and explain during the lesson. Introduction of our lesson, it includes three main parts. It's introduction, greeting, and main part, and conclusion, of course. When we use a present continuous tense, it's also called like present progressive. It can used to show that this tense is used to show that an ongoing action is happening right now, or at the moment, speaking time, or in a real future, near future. For example, I am reading now. Я сейчас читаю. At the moment, he is watching TV. В данный момент он смотрит телевизор. We are drawing now. Мы сейчас рисуем. She is dancing at the moment. В данный момент она танцует. They are writing now. Они сейчас пишут. Now, I'd like to say about the ways of making present continuous tense. Present continuous tense we can make with the help of the ing endings. Ing endings we should add to the verb, and in that way we can make the present continuous tense. For example, it can be sound like this: listen, listening, learn, learning, dance, dancing, make, making, watch, watching. Here are the forms of present continuous tense. There are positive, of course, negative, and a question. The formula of the present continuous, it makes with the help of the verb to be. To be is also auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb, we can add the verb force form or ing endings, and we can make the present continuous tense. There are some examples and forms of negative, positive, and questions forms. For example, positive, affirmative, that is to say, affirmative can make with the subject plus is are, it's to be, in the future, at the moment, and the verb ing. For example, I am swimming, he is swimming, they are swimming. And the negative form we can make with the help of the word not. Not we should add after the to be. Am is not. I am not swimming, he isn't swimming, they aren't swimming. And the question sentence makes with the help of the auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is a to be in a given situation. There are am, is, are. It will be at the initial part of the sentence. For example, am I swimming? Is he swimming? And are they swimming? Positive form, there are also some examples. I am working, I'm studying, he's working, he's studying. She is working, she is studying. It's working, it's studying. We are working, we are studying. You are working, you are studying. They are working, they are studying. There are negative form of that sentences. I'm not working, we can make with the help of the word not. Yeah, I'm not working, I'm not studying, he's not working, she's not working, it's not working, we're not working, you aren't working, they are not working, and etc. And there are question form. It's also be like with the help of to be forms. To be form will be at the initial part of the sentence. Am I working? Is he working? Is she working? Is it working? Are we working? Are you working? Are they working? And something like this. There are some exercise for you. Choose the correct form of the verb to be. There are some example of and to be. There are third version am, is, are, and you should find out one of them. For example, my friend, you should put am, is, or are. My friend is playing in the yard now, right? Second, I am, I is, I are writing an exercise at the moment. Which one is the correct? I am, yes? Third, they am, they is, or they are. Which is the correct? They are doing homework at present, right? Look, he is, or he am, or he are smiling at us. Which one is correct? He is correct one, right? Listen, the birds are singing in the garden. Birds are singing. We are going for a walk. She is making a pie. Listen, the dog is barking at the door. And there are many more exercise, much more exercise. Choose the correct form. Okay, I decide to give you this task for yourself. You should buy your own, okay? And today we finish our lesson. During the lesson we learned about the present continuous tense and the ways of using present continuous tense and the forms of the present continuous tense. I hope this lesson will be very interesting for you in the future, and you learned more verb tenses in this lesson. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.